Hi, I'm Ian from Do Michelle. Let's have some fun today. I got a whole beautiful pork leg. It's called a fresh ham. We're gonna take the shank off, we're gonna skin it, we're gonna take the bones out. Then you got a beautiful boneless pork leg roast. Start with, we'll take our 6-inch Victorinox knife. We're gonna take the shank right off. So the easiest way is with a bit of experience, you kind of find out where you're making your first cut all the way across. You can feel inside where that shank is attached, and you can just break it right out. The shank, also called the pork hock, is that piece right there. So next step, we'll take the skin off. So if you kind of just pull the skin, you can kind of pull it right away. It separates right from all that meat. Then what you can do is you can save it for crackling, wrap a roast in it. It's got lots of great uses. All right, so when you're taking the skin off, you just use the tip of your knife. And what you can do is just run it kind of right along the edge. Keep that tip going. You don't want to take really any meat off, but if you pull and put kind of even pressure, you can take that skin, save it for after. If we saw people come in looking for pork skin, wrap a roast, crackling, some of the good stuff. You're obviously trying to maximize the amount of meat that you keep on the piece. Instead of taking any meat off, you just want to get it as close as possible. Leave some fat on there so when you're doing your roast, it's going to have lots of melting fat there. All right. Just take your nice piece of pork skin, pull her up. There you go.